Okay, microphone was turned down. I apologize. Hello, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making money online. And one of the issues that I'm dealing with over here, I have one strike on my active community guideline strike on my YouTube channel, and I had a bunch of them, as you guys can see over here. And I send an appeal on all of them, and as you guys can see, approved, appeal submitted, approved, submitted, approved, 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 and then you got down here, and you got strike on July 20th, 2021, expires on October 18th. So I'm not sure. It says appeal submitted, appeal submitted. I got submitted 2 of them or 3 of them. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I was wondering if you guys can teach me how to fix that. Do I wait just till October 18th and those will disappear, or I'm not sure how this works. I hope this makes sense. I'm trying to get my channel monetized, and as you guys can see over here, it says harmful or dangerous content. What happened is I purchased software about 2 or 3 years ago, and you guys can see it over here. It says takeit.com. That's what it came from. And for some reason, that software used to be okay or valid, or it didn't create any. I didn't have any strikes back then, but now it's showing that I have a harmful or dangerous content. And as you guys can see, I deleted those links. I mean, it was just fine for a few years. Just as you guys can see over here, July 18th, I got all these strikes. They all came in at the same time because I had links in my videos, but I didn't know they were harmful or whatever, or these guys are not going by the guidelines. So I really didn't know what's going on. So I went in there and deleted everything, all the links. And this one says approved, submitted, approve, 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 approved, submitted, submitted. So I mean, what? And it says down here, it says something about when you click on this, it says you'll get an email after the review is completed. So I mean, is the email going to come from you too, or I'm not sure. What do they mean here? After review is completed. I don't know why it's taking so long to get reviewed. I mean, there's nothing. I deleted the link, so I don't see why it's still an issue. So if any of you guys can help me, I would really appreciate it. And as you guys can see, it's not something that I have done. It's just something that was basically the person I purchased the software from has broken the laws or done something illegal, and now it's coming back and causing me to have strikes on my channel. This is right here, 1 of 3 community strikes. Your content was removed due to the violation of community guidelines. Strike expire after 90 days, and deleting the videos will not remove the strike. So I'm not sure what's going on. Over here it says, if this happens again, your channel will get a second community guideline strike. You won't be able to do things like uploads, post, or live stream for 2 weeks. So I'm not sure what's going on here, guys. I'm really stuck. Do I just wait for it to expire on October 18th, or do I need to take any action, or what's going on? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, because I'm totally in a dilemma. I've been waiting for a while. This has been going on since July, and I don't want any strikes on my channel because I'm not really doing anything wrong. So for those of you guys that are perhaps ran into this problem before, or the same issue, and you were able to resolve it, I would appreciate any feedback from you guys. And also, like I mentioned on this channel, we leverage the internet and make money with affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, I'm going to put a couple links in the description. I guarantee it'll make you tons of money. Let me show you guys this photo here for a second. That's not the main reason for my video today, but I do want to share this piece of information with you here. I'm going to open up this this photo. I want to put that over here. And you see all these records over here, guys? Look at that. 25 million, 25 million, 50 million, 75 million, 100 million, 100 million, 100 million. All these gentlemen over here, ladies and gentlemen, have made millions upon millions of dollars using ClickFunnels software. This is Russell Brunson and this is Todd, his partner. They own a software company, and these guys were able to generate hundreds of millions in profit because of their software. So what I'm going to do is give you guys access to their software. You get 2 weeks for free if you decide to use the software, but you also get 100 days of training absolutely free. And if you guys want to learn how these people made hundreds of millions of dollars, you can just follow the training. It's 100-day training. Some people start making money before the 100 days. Some people, it takes them a little longer because they're newbies into the field. But that link's going to be in the description. But that's not what this video is all about. This video is about this. If you guys can help me with this, I would be forever grateful. Thank you guys so much. I love you. Thanks for spending a couple time with me. If you have a solution, please leave it in a comment below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and tick that bell icon, because I'm constantly publishing videos to show you how to make money online. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. And best of luck. Bye-bye.